Sources of standards for textiles. Unit 6. For textiles, like for many other products, there are certain national and international standards and regulations that need to be compliant with to ensure quality, safety, and sustainability. The following standards, amongst the others, apply to textiles. CPSIA Standard for the Flammability of Clothing Textiles. ASTM Textile Standards. REACH Regulations for Textiles. American Standards of Textile Materials is the most famous standard that is followed throughout the world in textile industry. So we will study about the tests and experiments conducted and the standards for various textile things in these slides. ASTM's textile standards provide the specifications and test methods for the physical, mechanical, and chemical properties of textiles, fabrics, and cloths, as well as the natural and artificial fibers that constitute them. The textiles covered by these standards are commonly formed by weaving, knitting, or spinning together fibers such as glass fiber strands, wool, and other animal fibers, cotton and other plant derived fibers, yarn, sewing threads, and mohair, to name a few. These textile standards help fabric and cloth designers and manufacturers in testing textiles to ensure acceptable characteristics towards proper end use. ASTM standards D123 Terminology relating to textiles. D1440 Test method for length and length distribution of cotton fibers. Array method. D1442 Test method for maturity of cotton fibers. Sodium hydroxide swelling and polarized light procedures. D1445 Test method for breaking strength and elongation of cotton fibers. Flat bundle method. D1447 Test method for length and length uniformity of cotton fibers by photoelectric measurement. 1448 Test method for micronear reading of cotton fibers. 1464 Practice for differential dyeing behavior of cotton. 1776 Practice for conditioning and testing textiles. 2480 Test method for maturity index and linear density of cotton fibers by the caustic air method. 2495 Test method for moisture in cotton by oven drying. 2812 Test method for non-lint content of cotton. You all know this test, almost all of you have studied in textile testing. 5866 Test method for NEPs in cotton fibers. This you might have studied in fiber science. 5867 Test methods for measurement of physical properties of raw cotton by cotton classification instruments. Significance and use. The reliability of the results of any test method depends primarily upon how well the specimens tested represent the original source material or lot. Failure to provide a test specimen which accurately represents the lot from which it is drawn will produce misleading test results regardless of the accuracy and precision of the test method. Scope. This practice covers procedures for taking a labbed sample of cotton fibers from a designated source and reducing the lot sample through a series of steps to produce test specimens that are representative of the source and suitable for the determination of fiber properties according to established procedures. This practice has been used extensively for commercial acceptance testing of cotton fibers as well as for arbitration testing and research. The procedures do not cover the selection of samples for the determination of moisture. Special handling and protection of the sample from the prevailing atmospheres required for samples taken for the determination of moisture are not provided for in this practice. The values stated in SI units are to be regarded as standard. Metric systems are standard. No other units of measure are included in this standard. 1.5. This standard does not purport to address all of the safety concerns, if any, associated with its use. It is the responsibility of the user of this standard to establish appropriate safety, health, and environmental practices and determine the applicability of regulatory limitations prior to use. This international standard was developed in accordance with internationally recognized principle on standardization established in the Decision on Principles for the Development of International Standards, Guides and Recommendations issued by the World Trade Organization Technical Barriers to Trade (TBT) Committee.